Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Today we're going to go ahead and exchange some spark plugs in a 2014 Honda Odyssey. This would work for the 2011 to 2017. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and remove this cover. So we have some plastic pieces right here that take a flathead. You just turn them and you turn the other one, and this whole thing clips off. Alright, so this is a 6-cylinder engine, and it looks like we have 6 spark plugs. So we got 3 coil packs in the front facing the radiator. We have a 10mm bolt on top of the coil pack. This is very easy because we have full access in the front right here. Just get a 10mm bolt and remove those. The only one that looks a little intimidating, it's back there against that wall. I have to go dig back there and figure out where the plugs are. Alright, so once we remove the 10mm bolt, we unplug the plug, just a little clip, and then we can remove the coil pack. See, it's just loose. Just remove it out, pull it out, and then it comes right out. Alright. So this is what a coil pack looks like. They don't have to be in order, so you could just pull it out and just leave it on the side. Alright, in the front right here, it's a pretty tight fit, so my tall extension could not fit. So what I did, I got 2 little extensions, put my 5/8 on there, then threw it in there, let it land. So it's already in there, the little extension with the 5/8. Here's a second little extension. I'm gonna attach it to the first extension. Then I'm gonna attach my ratchet, and I have easy access to remove that spark plug. One thing I did notice about this van that's different is this thread is very long. So when you're removing it, it takes forever to remove it. You feel like it's not coming out, but you just gotta keep turning until it's really loose. And you get a magnet and you pull it out. But yeah, just keep turning. It's gonna feel like nothing's happening, but just keep turning and turning, you'll feel it loose. This is the original spark plug, the NGK Iridiums DILZK-R7A 11G. We're gonna replace them with the same exact ones. These are not expensive. I got them from Advanced Auto Parts. I paid about like $7 for each one, so it's not too bad. Alright, we're gonna get our spark plug. We're gonna put a little anti-seize on there. Just go ahead and throw it in there, and then just drop it. And get your small extension and then start turning. You're gonna be turning for a while because of the length of that thread, just like I showed you. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go into the back. So if you can see here, this is the wall. So if you look in there, you're gonna see your coil pack right there. So it's basically the same thing as the front, but it's just in the back side. You're just going in a little blind. So you kind of gotta just feel around with your hand and touch things. That's what I did. So I went ahead and touched the bolt, the 10mm bolt on all 3, loosened them all up. Once I loosened them up, I did it by hand. And now I'm gonna hit the clip and then loosen everything up by hand, but there they are. So everything, so you just have to do it just by the touch of your hand. You can't really see back there, so, but it's the same process as the front. Alright guys, so I do want to talk about the back spark plugs. So right now I did get them done, but it was pretty difficult. I had to put my 2 hands in there, and I couldn't see, so I just had to go by touch. So I was able to replace them, but there are some hoses that get in the way from your extension, so you got to push them away. And then as you raise up the coil pack, the hoses are in the way, so you just got to move them out the way and then pull them out. And then if you drop something in the back, oh, it's a pain to go ahead and find that tool. So just to let you know, this back piece, just be patient with it. If you're patient, it'll save you a lot of headache. So just be patient and you'll get it done. So once you made sure that you plugged everything back on with the coil packs, just make sure you put the top cover on and everything's good to go. You guys have a great day.